Hey girls, what's up and welcome back to It Girl YouTube. I'm here with
Sienna.
And today we're going to be checking out Quick Gems by Scunci. How excited are you?
I am super duper excited.
Hopefully you guys have just come from our video about the Quick Twist by Scunci, and we told you guys that we got this amazing package full of all these goodies. So we're so excited to try all of them out, and today this is our product of choice. So let's get right into it, and if you haven't watched Quick Twist, the link will be in the description. Okay, so it says that this is the coolest way to add the crowning touch of sparkle and shine to your hair, and it's fun and easy to use on all hair types. Okay, perfect. Let's unbox. So where are you going today?
I'm going to a sleepover at my friend's house.
You just want to look cool?
I want to look cool and funky.
Funky, okay. Alright guys, so we've just unboxed it and this is what it looks like. It comes with 30 gems in 4 shapes and 2 sizes, so we're so pumped, and it comes with an extra one of these holders for your gems. So we're going to take off the bottom of this. You just want to pull down on this little thing and like clip them together. Right, and then this is the package of all of the other gems. So we're going to fill up our little ring so that we have it all prepared and ready to go. So there is one already in the device. Whoa. Okay, let's just start attaching them. I'll show you how to do it. So basically guys, to attach, you just want to grab your gem and slide it in where the crack is. You just want to slide it in and it'll look like that. Perfect, and so ready to be put onto your hair. Alright guys, so we've finished with our ring of gems. So that's just so when we run out of these ones and we finish with them, we'll easily be able to put another one in. So how you insert it is you'll just take off this cover, which we'll show you later. Okay, so are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so we're just gonna adjust so you can see her hair. So first you just want to brush your hair, obviously make it nice and smooth, so you just want to have your hair out, right?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Now that it's all soft, we're going to grab this, we're going to put the bottom back on. And this is just the on and off button, and what you want to do is you want to grab a small strand of hair, just like this, very thin from the top, and pop it into this little opening here. And then you just want to hold the on button so that the gem gets popped on. So I grabbed a little too much hair, you really don't need that much. So yeah, and then it's just clipped on like that. It looks super cute against the darkness of her hair. I feel like the pink really pops. So then you can just repeat that, and it's seriously so simple. So you want to pop the hair into the slit and pop the gem on. So I think that was better. That was a better amount of hair that I chose. Alright, so we're just going to do this all around her hair until she's got hair covered in gems, and we need to replace the wheel. Alright guys, so just for educational purposes, I'm going to show you how to remove them and pop them back onto the disc. So each time that you place a gem on, there's an opening on this side, so there'll be like a few cracks that are open. So to remove, you kind of just want to like pull it down. And there's a little spring inside, so they're quite easy and it's really gentle. And then you just want to see where the slit is and slide it on. Super easy, and then when you get to that part in the row again, you'll be able to reuse it. So let's complete this disc and then we'll put in a new one. Okay guys, so as you can see, our disc is cleared because we've used all of the gems that were in that one. So now we just need to replace the one inside. So what you want to do is just lift up this flap here, and it's very easy to remove. You just pop this out and you can put more gems on it, and then you want to pop in the one that we've bedazzled. So you want to put it down so that the middle part is sticking up. So it's nice and flat and can clip in really easy. Just pop the lid back on and you're good to go. So I've just been doing really random placements. They're all at the top of her head as well, so that it's not just like it starts at the bottom. How are you liking it so far?
I think it looks really cool.
It does, it definitely does. And yeah, you just want to kind of evenly space them out so that they don't look too clustered or, you know, too close or too far apart. But okay guys, so we finished this disc as well, so sadly there are no more gems, but they're all in Sienna's hair. So we'll give you a 360 of the final product. So they're everywhere, they're even at the top, show them like the top of your head. They're even at the top of her head and then they're all the way at the bottom. How do you feel?
I feel glamorous.
You could go to Taylor Swift like this and be the Bejeweled song.
Yeah, I guess.
I think it looks so cool. I would give this like 10 out of 10, 13 out of 10. This is so easy.
I'll give this 100 out of 10.
How long do you think that took us? Like 2 minutes?
Yeah, it's really quick. It didn't even take us that long.
Alright guys, well that is all for today's video. Make sure you grab your own Quick Gem so you can have one of these super cool devices. You can bring this anywhere. It's really easy to hold. There's the storage for all your spare gems. So like, it's so easy to take around, so you can just pop it in your bag if you feel like bejeweling your hair at any time. So yeah, make sure you go and grab yours very soon and your quick twist. And yeah, make sure to watch that video if you haven't already. Subscribe and we'll see you next time. Bye!
Bye!